Here are some steps that you can follow to learn Spring. Get familiar with Java programming language. Spring is a Java-based framework, so having a strong understanding of Java is essential. Start with the basics, learn about dependency injection, inversion of control, and the Spring core concepts such as beans, application context, and auto-wiring. Read the documentation. The official documentation of Spring is a great resource to learn about the framework. Start with the introduction to the Spring framework and then move on to specific topics like Spring MVC, Spring Boot, etc. Work on small projects. Start small, by building simple applications that make use of different features of Spring. Follow online tutorials. There are many online resources available, including video tutorials, blog posts, and forums, that can help you learn Spring. Get involved in the community, participate in forums, attend meetups and conferences related to Spring to connect with other developers and learn from their experiences. Practice, practice, practice. The more you work with Spring, the better you will get at it. Keep building small to medium-sized projects to solidify your understanding of the framework.